Hi, I'm Doug from Soundman Car Audio. Today we're looking at the CT Sounds Bio Series 6x9 inch set. The 6x9 is the largest of the coaxial set. The CT Sounds Bio comes in a 6x9, 5x7, 6.5 or 5.25. Oh baby. Comes with a grill. So if you're cutting these in the back panel of an older car, this has a grill to protect it, or in the back doors of an old van, rear doors. In certain situations, you'll have the speaker mounted where it's exposed, so you'll want to use the grill. Or if your vehicle takes a 6x9 speaker from the factory, this should be a direct drop-in replacement. All Bio Series coaxials feature durable construction with a steel basket, polypropylene cone and rubber surround, ferrite magnet with a 25mm voice coil on the mid, and a neodymium magnet on the 13mm silk dome tweeter. Since the 6x9 has a larger cone, it'll give you a lot more bass. If you take a look at the frequency response here, the 6x9 has a frequency response of 50 Hz all the way up to 20 kilohertz. The lowest bass goes down to 20 Hz. This will go down to 50 Hz, which is pretty good. So on the rear panel behind your back seats, some cars take a 6x9, this will drop right in there and give you some good bass. Or if your car doesn't have rear speakers, these can be mounted into the panel, and the 6x9 will give you the most bass out of any of the standard size coaxials. But for a lot of bass, you could always add a subwoofer and amplifier. The 6x9s can be connected to an amplifier. With the Bio Series high power handling and efficient motor design, the Bio coaxials can be used with OEM head unit power or with a separate high power amplifier. They have a diagram in the manual that shows you how to hook up your 4 speakers to an aftermarket amplifier. All speakers in the Bio Series come with CT Sounds signature grill, wiring, and screws. Visit CT Sounds for more information. Purchase with confidence with CT Sounds same-day shipping, 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 customer support, and no questions asked returns. Find high-performance car speakers, amplifiers, subwoofers, boxes, and more at ctsounds.com.